Hello everyone, today I am very happy to have this opportunity to speak about the topic peace and safety. Peace is one of the most important things in the world. When there is peace, people can live without fear. Children can go to school safely, families can work, and communities can grow. War destroys homes, dreams, and lives. Peace allows countries to develop and cooperate with one another. Safety in society also builds trust between people. Without peace, progress is very difficult. Therefore, leaders and citizens must work together to solve problems through dialogue, not violence. Peace creates hope for future generations. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for your listening. Good luck for you.